And then she was asked again to pick someone and do something. And I mean, that's fine. She can pick whoever the fuck. Like, he's not my boyfriend. Do you know what I mean? But like, I was funny. Yeah, and then the both passionate. So I was like, do you know what? I'm not going to be here to watch this. It didn't make me feel like I just felt this. I'm not hurt. I know. Like, I know what you're saying. There's a difference between hurt and disrespect. Yeah. I'll be hurt if I genuinely liked and was like still into him. None of that is happening. Do you understand? But don't come.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bbnaija housemate Maria finally revealed the main reason why she rejected Pere's love confession. Maria, a Big Brother NAIJA housemate, claims Pere disrespected her by kissing Beatrice passionately. During the Truth or Dare game on Monday night, Pere kissed Beatrice. Maria was irritated by this because she believed Pere expressed his love for her while passionately kissing Beatrice. That she claims was the reason why she turned him down. You put a mark on me in the house and you disrespected me by passionately kissing Beatrice, Maria told Liquor on Tuesday night. I respect him because I respect his feeling for me by not being with his other male housemate. I'm not jealous, but kissing someone passionately was impolite. You went around telling everyone you liked me and chasing after other people. You want me to take you seriously now that you have kissed someone else? I don't want to stay with Pere since I'm not sure if his sentiments are genuine, Maria said. Guys, what do you actually think about this Maria and Pere's relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, please don't fail to subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get info whenever a new video drops.